Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean, happy to be with you guys again. This is a tutorial for one of our most exciting tools that we have developed here called the Investment Portfolio Visualizer. This is one of the top and newest next-gen investment tools developed by CleaRank. We'll be bringing in a lot of new tools and updating in the channel. So if you guys enjoy our content and are using our tools, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And also, please comment below if you would like, you have ideas about how to improve the tool, or if you would like some new tools to be generated by our team. We are tracking it all the time on Twitter, on Telegram. Please join us. Just search CleaRank. You can follow us on Twitter, on X, now called X, or you can actually also just track us as well on Telegram for any sort of updates on any new tools. Now let's get to it. The CleaRank Portfolio Visualizer helps you build, analyze, optimize, and forecast your investment portfolio using real data. There's no plugins or guesswork here. It delivers pro-level insights via performance metrics, complicated quant-level performance matrix like Monte Carlo simulations. We're also going to check correlations and obviously give optimizations in the sleek and amazing dashboard that you're going to see here below. So I'm going to quickly give you guys an example of how this works. I've already added a couple of stocks in my portfolio, okay, but as you can see, my total weight here is 80%. Means I want to get this portfolio to 100%. If we run this at total weight of 80%, it will still work. It will not fail. It will still calculate, but it will even that out to have a 100% investment portfolio. So these percentages will change, will balance out slightly. I suggest that you guys weight it towards 100% and add the portfolio or check your current investment portfolio that you have running. This is a good way to check your wealth manager or your private banker who's giving you advice on which stocks, crypto, or assets that you, or securities to invest in. This will be a nice tool to basically check that up. So if I am going to add to what I'm missing here at the moment is NVIDIA, I'm going to add a 20% here. I would like this asset added to my portfolio. And then I am going to run, I can see here now NVIDIA has been added to the portfolio right here. You guys can see this here. I'm going to run the full analysis. Let's just give it a second to load. All right, so here again, we're going to have all the critical performance metrics, such as the compound annual growth rate, the Sharpe ratio, which gives us the risk-adjusted return, and the max drawdown. You can also see a brief explanation about each one, what each one does, and also our standard deviation of returns, the volatility performance percentage here. You can also see a nice correlation table of what correlates, what's the level of correlation between the different stocks and assets, bonds, treasuries, commodities, crypto, whatever you have here. It will give you an explanation and show you different numbers. You can also hover above each one and see the numbers there. Now, this is a great, we also included here an historical backtest. Let's say you invested $10,000 as we've weighted in here, my initial investment time. I can play around with this and how many years. But let's say we ran it on a 3-year period. It will show you how your portfolio would have performed compared to the S&P 500. As you can see, my portfolio has absolutely killed the S&P 500. You can see this graph over here. Then we have another exciting tool here. This is also part of our CleaRank portfolio generator tool, but we've included also in the visualizer because it's important. It shows you the scenarios of what you could have expected on a 3-year, on an 8-year, on different periods. What would be your best case, worst case, every scenario? So let's say for my $10,000 invested, as you can see, my worst case scenario here with this portfolio would have been $35,821 return. My best case scenario would have been $326,590 return. All right, now this is another exciting tool that we like. You can actually optimize this portfolio further. We call this a portfolio optimization suggestion. You can play around with it, decide if you want to go conservative, balanced, or growth. Let's see what it tells me for, let's say, balanced option. I get a suggestion of what I should do according to all the stocks that I have on record. It will run it and it will give me some kind of feedback, what more sectors I should get into, how I should diversify more to rebalance my portfolio. It tells me here to get out of highly correlated assets like ETH and BTC, then diversify into different sectors. So that's it for this tool. You can also share it, export as a PDF, and embed the code. Thank you so much for listening today, and I hope this tutorial helps you out.